Welcome in IMN spin-off net. In this session we will learn how to find nth ISLE in SQL Server. So this is very common in SQL Server interview question. Mostly interviewer ask this question. How to find nth ISLE in SQL Server using a subquery. Other is how to find highest LE in SQL Server using CTE. So look at this is the employee table. It have the 6 record. Max salary is 35,000. Second max salary is 28,000. So by using this is the subquery. Look at this is subquery. By using the subquery we can get the nth ISLE from the table. Other thing is also we can use the CTE common table expression. Look at this is the common table expression. By using this query also we can get nth ISLE from the table. So both way we will get the ISLE from the table in SQL Server. So let's get started. This is SQL Server Management Studio. So this is employee table. I am gonna to execute this query. Look at the employee table have the 7 employee. Each employee have the different type of the salary. If we want to the order by this output salary wise, then we can use the order by. I am gonna to use order by salary descending. Okay, select, execute. See, the top highest salary in the table is 35,000. Second highest salary 28,000. So if we want to get max highest salary from the table, so we can use the max function. Max function is the aggregate function, and it will be calculated the all value and written by single value. So I am gonna to write the query for max salary. Select max salary as salary from employee. Select, execute. See, this is the highest salary in the employee table. Let's we execute both query together. See, this is employee table have the top salary is 35,000. So our output is also is same 35,000. So by this query we can get the top highest salary in the table. If we want to the get or someone ask you the how we can get the second highest salary from the table, then we can use I am gonna to write the query for second max salary from the table. Select max salary as salary from employee where salary greater than means less than. This is subquery. Select for max salary from employee. Okay. Good. See, this is this query for the second highest salary. Select, execute. See, the output as expected 28,000 is the second highest salary in the table. Here also see the 28,000 is the second highest salary in the table. If we want to select nth highest salary from the table, then also we can use the subquery. So I am going to the right query for nth ISLE from the table. Okay, select mean. Here I am using the mean function. Salary is salary from employee, where salary in select top one salary from employee ordered by salary descending. So by this query we should get to the first highest salary, because here I have put it the 1. Execute. See, this is the first highest salary in the table. So actually I have used the 1 here. If you want to get 4th highest salary, then you need to put here the 4th. If you want to get 3rd highest salary, then you need to put 3. Select and execute. See, this is the 3rd highest salary from the table. Here let's we execute both query together. See, this is the 3rd highest salary in the table. Also our result is expected same. So by this query we can get any number of the highest salary. Only if you want to the 15 highest salary from the table, you need to put here 15. If you want to the 25, then you need to put here 25. If we want to get nth highest salary from the table by using the CTE, then we can use the CTE. Now I am gonna to create the query for CTE with CTE as select straight dense rank. Dense rank is a function. It will be generate the ranking number against each row over ordered by salary descending, as the column name should be meaningful. From employee, if I execute only this query, look at dense rank function generating the ranking number against each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here 2 employees have the same salary. Alice and Jacob have the same salary, 15,000. So dense rank function generates the same ranking function. Okay. CTE means common table expression. This is a table. Then we can use it as a table. So select salary from CTE where column name this one, column name. If I put here 1, so by this query we should get the first highest salary. Okay, look it, this is the first highest salary. If I put here 2, then we should get the second highest salary from the table. See, let's we execute both query together. Okay, we need to put here go. Now select execute. See, this is the second highest salary in the table. You can see this is the second highest salary. So result is coming as expected. Also we can use the row number for finding the nth highest salary from the table. So let's we use row number. Okay, this is this is also a function. Row number will generate the row number against each row. So here, if I execute only this query, so look at the row number function generating the row number against each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequential form. But Ali Jacob have the duplicate cell, same cell, but row number generating the different number against both employee. Okay, so with the row number, problem is that when it will have the duplicate cell, then it will be written only the single value. So everything is same. If I put here 1, so we should get the output first ISLE, see 35,000. If I put here 2, then we should get the second ISLE, 28,000, see. But if I put here 5, so we should get only one value. So with the row number, this is a problem. So for finding the nth ISLE from the table by using the CTE, we should use the dense rank. By the dense rank, we can easily find the nth ISLE from the table. Thanks guys for watching this video.